In this experiment, we will be neutralising an acid using calcium hydroxide. Our first step is to measure out an exact amount of calcium hydroxide of 0.3 grams. We also need to measure out 50 centimetres cubed of hydrochloric acid. At this point, we will use a pH probe and a data logger to record the pH of the acid solution. We will then gradually add 0.3 grams of the calcium hydroxide while simultaneously recording the pH and observing any pH changes. As can be seen, in large amounts the calcium hydroxide becomes insoluble in the acid. The pH of the solution also begins to drastically increase. This is due to the neutralisation effect the calcium hydroxide alkali has on the acid. After 8 additions, we are now left with a complete set of results ready for plotting and analysis. We can draw a graph of our results to illustrate how pH changes with the addition of calcium hydroxide. When plotting a graph, we must remember to use a pencil and a ruler. The first thing we need to do is to create an axis with regular intervals. On the x-axis we have the mass of calcium hydroxide with the units of grams clearly labelled, and on the y-axis pH, again with regular intervals. We can then plot our points and create a curve of best fit. For this particular experiment, we are interested in the mass of calcium hydroxide required to neutralise the acid. To do this, a line can be drawn from the axis and intersected with the curve of best fit.